Greetings, Jaja children. On alright. I'm Lily of the Valley, and I bring a greeting in the name of Jehovah our Creator and Jesus Christ of Nazareth, our King. And we see leptospirosis outbreak, which is a deadly disease. You can look at Matthew 24 to see where these things are coming from. And after deadly storms, dead animals, debris, food, survival of the fittest, but it also comes with diseases. So today we're going to talk to you about how to treat and prevent this from spreading. So this is a search from Brighton at Enoch. And it says, what is leptospirosis? What causes it? How to prevent and treat leptospirosis? Includes symptoms and cures, and all cures on earth. Food treatments available. So it says, leptospirosis is a comprehensive overview. It is a bacterial infection caused by the genus Leptospira, which primarily affects animals but can also be transmitted to humans. This zoonotic disease is widespread in tropical and subtropical regions, with an estimated 1.03 million cases and 58,900 deaths annually worldwide, according to the WHO 2018 report. The bacteria can survive in water and soil for extended periods, making it a significant public health concern, particularly in areas prone to flooding and with poor sanitation. So in the more section and the description section, you're going to see a lot of additional resources how to treat this thing and how to prevent it, how to boil the water, sanitize the water with bleach, Dettol, Jizz, or any other thing that can kill germs really well. You can use that. So Leptospira species are the causative agents of leptospirosis. They are spirochetal bacteria with a unique corkscrew-like motion, allowing them to penetrate tissues and survive in various environments. Transmission occurs through direct contact with urine, blood, or tissues from infected animals, or indirectly through contaminated water or soil. So y'all need gloves, and you need, full body suits, and you see them naked woman and naked people them around there in the dirty water. When they need for wear clothes, water boots, gloves, masks, any type of raincoat type material. I know it's hot, but when you not clean up these things, when you need for wear protective equipment. Occupational exposure is common among farmers, veterinarians, and slaughterhouse workers, while recreational activities like swimming in contaminated water or contact with infected animals can also lead to infection. Symptoms: headache, fever, chills, vomiting, jaundice, muscle ache, yellowing of the skin and eyes is jaundice, red eyes, and abdominal pain. In severe cases, the infection can progress to Weil's disease, a syndrome characterized by liver and kidney failure, pulmonary hemorrhage, and bleeding disorders, which can be life-threatening. Without prompt treatment, mortality rates can reach up to 15%. So you all have to take these things very seriously. Avoid contact with potentially infected animals, especially rodents, farm animals, and pets with access to outdoor environments. Wear protective clothing, gloves, and footwear when working or playing in potentially contaminated areas. Implement good hygiene, such as shower and washing after contact with animals or contaminated surfaces. Pets and livestock, don't know what kind of vaccination they get, but they make sure it's nothing that will harm you as well. Maintaining good sanitation in residential and occupational settings. Treatment, early diagnosis, electrolytes, hydration, organ functioning monitoring. So you're going to need a lot of organ meats like your chicken foot, your chicken bone, chicken back, beef organ, sheep organ, liver, kidney, all of that kind of soup, and pea soup with Congo peas or gungo peas leaf, and that peas is good for this kind of stuff as well. Herbal remedies: garlic, turmeric, neem, oregano. You're gonna need lots of vitamin C, B6, pyridoxine, zinc, selenium, hydration, proper hydration, your coconut water or your water with the salts, your hydration salts, soak on the foot in the burnt um ashes with good wood with nutrients in the wood, and go a see go beard, go to mineral springs. Everything have to be really sanitary, okay? So detox: milk thistle, dandelion, artichoke. Rest and stress management: adequate rest management techniques such as we don't do yoga, that's we call it now Buddhist pagan culture. So anything you see that would bring more stress on your stress that is pagan, you just pray your Psalms 91, your Psalm 23, your Psalm 100, and milk thistle, dandelion, artichoke, cassia. And I'm gonna link a mosquito borne disease video in the more or comment section, and you'll see more resources there. Shalom.